Psalm 54, Save me, O God, by your name. Vindicate me by your strength. Hear my prayers, O God. Hear prayers. Give ear to my words of my mouth. For strangers that have risen up against me, and oppressors and sought my life. They have not set God to their lives. Behold, God is my helper. The Lord is with those who uphold my life. I will sacrifice myself to God. I will praise Him, O Lord, for it is good. He will repay all my enemies for their evil. Cut them off in your truth. He delivered me out of all trouble, and my eyes seen the desire of my enemies.